Hey, it's Sandy, and today is day 14. Man, I tell you, this has been just an absolutely fabulous journey. And I don't have a lot to report today because I got my eyes checked this morning, and at the last step for the doctor was to dilate my eyes, and she said that it wouldn't be that big of an effect on my vision, that I still should be able to see, well enough to drive. Man, I tell you, that was not the case. And I love my doctor. This was my first time going to her, but I tell you, she was so attentive and so right on point with what she had to explain to me about my vision. And so I feel very, very confident and following the routine that she would have me to do. And so just interesting though that I had the experience, and then so I wanted to go and see this book publisher. Well, actually, I thought the last time we saw each other, he was a printer. And so all I wanted was some copies of my book to be able to take to the Water of Life Symposium next month. And I wanted to give them away as gifts. But he's elevated his organization, his company, into a full-fledged publishing company. So I was so enthused with that, and what he had to share with me about what it is that they're doing now and the direction that they're taking the company. And so it was just really a good day. Although my vision's been been blurry most of the day, I finally feel at ease and more normal. So here's a pitch though for the Water of Life Symposium. Is happening September the 20th through the 22nd at the Westgate Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. It would be just absolutely wonderful if you would come out and let me hug on you for that time frame. It's going to be just a big party. We celebrate, we acknowledge each other, and we just pay respect to one another for the journey that we're on. Full acceptance. There's no judgments. There's no what do you do, what do you eat. No, none of that, right? We just love on each other with all the might that we have, and it's going to be incredible. So check it out on the website. Is www.wateroflifesymposium. That's SYMPOSIUM.com. So that's next month, August the 20th to the 22nd. I will be there. I'm not speaking this year, but I will be there. You got to come to find out what capacity I'm going to be serving. So wateroflifesymposium.com. The registration is very reasonable. Get you a room. Just get there. Just get there. So make sure you register though as quick as possible so that we can have your materials ready for you, and your name badge in place in one of my books. How about that? All right. I love you. See you next time.